This is Stephanie Sokolowski reporting live from the University of Waterloo to discuss an exciting study on recycling and composting behavior on campus. And because all research sounds more exciting when it's communicated by a German researcher, we have here today Dr. Heinrich von der Bruchwurster to discuss the findings of this research. Hi, Doctor. We are so glad you had the time to be interviewed today. Can you tell us why recycling is an issue?
Yeah, so you see the world is changing so fast. We have the massive world population, it is growing, the climate, it is changing, and now we have this problem that our landfills, they are filling up. And that is very costly to our cities and our planet. But unfortunately, we do not live in a world where we can completely eliminate garbage yet. But what we can do is we can reduce the amount of garbage that we make, and that is through recycling. And that is exactly what we were looking at here at the university scale. How are the students, the faculty, and the staff members recycling? What is their behavior and why?
That's great. So you're discovering the barriers to recycling in order to improve these behaviors. Can you share with the audience how you conducted your research?
Well, we conducted 3 different methods of research by first inspecting what other schools have done through a literature review, followed by observational research and interviews in 3 areas on campus. We used these methods to achieve data triangulation.
So what were your findings?
What we found was troubling. We found that the students, the faculty and the staff were using the recycling correctly only 9% of the time. Also 64% of the time they were throwing recyclable items in the garbage. That is a disturbing fact. Would you agree?
I would. So why do you think that is?
Yeah, that is the question that we asked ourselves. First, we found that the location of the recycling receptacles was highly influential. In our study, we found that 73% of the time, the receptacles that were closer to the student, staff or faculty member were used instead of the receptacles that was further away, meaning proximity is a big factor in waste disposal behavior. And this information was confirmed in our interviews. Our students said that the proximity of recycling bins, the recycling signage, personal habits, environmental or moral consciousness, and the influence of friends who do or do not recycle all influence their recycling behavior.
Such interesting results. So what are your recommendations after conducting this study?
Well, we need to have consistent and visually appealing signage on the bins. The signage and the bins need to be colorful and, in your face. Also, the recycling facilities must be in a central and convenient location in high-traffic areas. Also, as noted in our interviews, compost bins need to be implemented at a wider scale on campus.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Welcome.
This is Stephanie Sokolowski reporting live from the University of Waterloo.